Hi everyone! It's time to show you all my works which I finished or started in August. And I must say that August was a little bit disappointing. For the part of the month I didn't feel very well, and for part of the month I simply wasn't in creative mood for coloring. So, in the end of the month, I have only a couple of finished pictures, but I have a lot of started projects. I am really happy that in August I returned to Sagar och Zachner. I think that I hadn't colored in it for half of the year. I selected two very summer pictures. For the first one with bunnies, I did a very simple background, plain. I covered background with gouache paints, and for the rest of the page I used polychromos pencils. I am quite satisfied with this picture apart from bunnies. I really wanted white bunnies with a very short fur, and I can't say that I wasn't completely successful, but they look cute. Especially I enjoyed coloring jam in jars to invent what I have inside of jars, which kind of jam, like raspberry or blueberry. It was fun. The second page I called August Magic. And here I have my August witch. This page I colored with Prismacolors, and most of all here I enjoyed inventing unusual color combos. I love my violet mushrooms, I love my green bottle. I also decided to add a frame, like I have a more magical portal here. I tried to use a lot of warm colors, very suitable for the end of the summer, and when I used a couple of cold colors to make a nice contrast, it really helped me to attract the whole attention to the central figure here, to my August witch. To add some magical touch, I also used bronze and copper acrylic metal paint around the bottle on the leaves, so page is a little bit sparkly. In August I got a new book by Lenka Filonenko, Dream Dancers, and I did couple of projects in it. It is one of the few Greyscale books in my collection, and I really love everything about this book. I love designs, I love quality of the paper, and paper allowed me to work with different mediums. Here I used watercolors, then pearl watercolors, acrylic paint for the black frame, polychromos pencils, then a little bit of alcohol-based markers, skin tone markers, so different mediums, just like I prefer. With Greyscale book, it was very easy to color skin. I covered everything with one layer of alcohol-based marker and then added a little bit of shading using Kohinoor polycolor pencil. For the second lady, which I called Lady in Gatsby style, I specially tried to use dull, not very bright colors. So for the background I used Japanese colors of Turner acrylic gouache. For the flowers I used first layer of alcohol-based markers and then I added brighter color with Prismacolors. Most of all I was interested in coloring dress. I wanted to show that dress is decorated with sequins, with fringe, that it's sparkly. I had to use a lot of black and white paint. Also, it was interesting to color fur. I used a special brush here, and in the end I am completely happy with her final look. I think that she is quite fashionable. Next book to which I returned in August was my Mermaids in Paradise. I decided to make another very summer, very bright, cheerful page, and here is my wooden trio. Almost everything here I colored with Prismacolor pencils. From the beginning I wanted to make my wooden trio in brown and bright red colors, and to create nice contrast for the background I used beautiful green-blue colors, and I am happy that I was able to use my set of color blend or aqua blend pencils, which I don't use quite often. My most concern was that my yellow birds could be completely lost because they are slightly similar to the color of the flowers, but in the end I really love how my orange flowers look together with violet flowers, and everything is quite cheerful, bright, and very festive. I'm not sure that my camera is able to show color of the background properly, but I also added a little bit of yellow touch there, and it was a pure pleasure and a lot of fun to color in my mermaids. I think that in September I color something from gnomes in neighborhood. When I need when I want or I need to color something very easy without additional thoughts about shading, when I want to play with bright colors, I always select my Inktense and books by Lizzie Mary Cullen. So in August, I almost finished two-page spread about beginning of the Lizzie's journey in United States. First, the left page looked a little bit boring, but then after I read a little bit about famous Route 66, and I discovered that around the sign we have four different landscapes, different places which we can see along the route. It was quite interesting to color all four landscapes in different ways, but using similar colors, and I really enjoyed the whole process. I also almost finished page on the right. I only need to add some finished touches, some small details, and I hope that I will be able to post this second part together with this video. One of the reasons why I love magical journey books so much is that I can read and to learn about different places. For example, I've never heard about Route 66. Then I googled about it, I read about biggest cities along the route, I looked at reference pictures, and it really was very helpful. For the right page, I tried to use similar colors using a lot of the same pencils which I used for the left page, the same red for the car, the same blue colors for the background, but I also used Neocolor crayons for the road, and I'm glad that now I can help myself and to use Neocolors for the backgrounds here. Another completed picture which I almost forgot is Hansel and Gretel from Fairy Tales by Selina Fenech. Here I started to work with polychromos for the scary red background, but then for the rest of the page I switched to Prismacolors. In my opinion, Prismacolors helped me to easier cover white paper, white spots on the paper, so I think for my next project I also will be using Prismacolors. Most of all, I enjoyed coloring this gingerbread house with all small details, all candies, and I think that I already miss coloring winter pictures, and I am eagerly waiting for the November and December to start coloring winter pictures. I used a lot of white paint to cover black lines, to do proper cream on the roof. I think that to the end of this coloring I almost mastered to work on this thin paper. Here I also used contrast between warm colors of the house and ground and cold colors of the Hansel and Gretel dress to attract more attention to the characters. And now huge amount of pictures which I started in August but which were very time consuming and which I wasn't able to finish in time, but I work on each and every of them and I hope that during this week I will finish everything. First one is a page which I started on my birthday. I am happy with the beginning here with this pastel background. I think next I will be coloring flowers and in the end I will finish to color bunnies. I will be showing only briefly everything, all my started projects, because obviously I will be showing finished projects in September video, so only sneak peeks for now. Next, two huge spreads I started when I wanted to play with my neo colors to do creative backgrounds. For the first spread in Imagimorphia, I wanted to do a stormy sky. I selected a page which I don't treasure too much, so I was able to experiment here without bothering about messing with this page. And I really spent a lot of time for this background and I needed a little bit of break before I am able to finish coloring C. Night Voyage is another of my books where I really love to do creative neocolor backgrounds. This psychedelic picture is almost finished. I also did background in Flower Year. I colored everything here with polychromos and again I needed a break after I spent so much time on the background. I finally started Willing Sun, another spread, again a lot of time, very time consuming project, but so far I really enjoyed it. And my last start in August was in Jasmine Becker's Griffith book, where I experimented with doing dark skin tone. I plan to spend the whole first week of September on finishing these huge time-consuming projects, and on positive side that in a week I will have a lot of finished pictures, but again I am not very happy that I started so much and I wasn't finished them in time. In August, I added some wonderful books to my coloring book collection. I already mentioned book by Lenka Filonenko, Dream Dancers. I also got this autumn book by Rita Berman. It's my first book by Rita, and I'm eager to start coloring in it in fall time. I especially love this page with mushrooms. I think that it will be my first, but we will see. Next one is a real treasure. It's a Korean book, The Day When We Finally Met. I highly recommend you to watch my review on this book if you are not familiar with it, because as I said, it's a real treasure. It's a very high quality book. Pictures here are very cute, sweet, amazing, very detailed, very interesting with a lot of cute animals, beautiful botanical details. We have some sense, so you will be able to color in it without get boring, even if you have only this one coloring book. And the last present which I got in August is this amazing Chinese book by AUGUGT'19. I am a little bit afraid to color in it, but I am sure that we will color something in September. From subscriber I also got as a present Prismacolor Deco Yellow and black pencils. You know that I always in need of Deco Yellow color, so now I'm ready to color. And I also got these two very small cute watercolor brushes. They will be perfect for coloring botanical pictures. They will be very helpful in Leila Diuli flower year or Floribunda, or for these beautiful flower details. Unfortunately, I hadn't colored with watercolors in August, but I hope that in September I will have more time and we will do some watercolor projects. Anyway, I got wonderful birthday presents from my subscribers, and I am so grateful for all your birthday wishes and for your support. You all are wonderful motivation to continue to color and to do videos. I hope that you all had a wonderful end of summer and that you will have a wonderful beginning of the fall season. I hope that all my USA followers are safe during this Dorian tropical storm and that hurricane will pass away without causing much trouble and much damage. I wish you happy coloring and I hope to see you very quickly in my next videos.